Danielle the Trevally swam from her coral cave, eyes wide in the morning light. She counted 1 shiny shell resting on a reef ledge. She saw 2 bubbles rising from the sandy floor. Danielle swam through 3 dancing strands of seaweed. She spotted 4 tiny shrimp hopping near the rocks. She counted 5 starfish slowly spreading on the reef. Danielle noticed 6 sea urchins nestled near her tail. She smiled at 7 playful fish darting overhead. She passed 8 clams resting with soft shells open. She floated above 9 speckled pebbles gently glistening. She saw 10 sunbeams stretching down into the water. But some fish weren't sharing the reef nicely. Danielle stopped to speak softly with a grumpy grouper. She suggested counting the beautiful things they all could share. They counted 1 reef to explore together. They counted 2 tunnels to swim through. They counted 3 cozy caves for resting. The grouper smiled. Counting made everything feel more fair. The reef sparkled as everyone played together, taking turns. Danielle swam in gentle loops, her heart full of peace. She saw the grumpy grouper helping a shy snail find food. She counted again, now each number a friend. Danielle turned toward her cave, ready for rest. She fell asleep, counting soft reef treasures in her dreams.